to one and all. I am Venkatesham. I am basically a chemistry teacher. I am going to discuss about topic is salt of weak acid versus weak base. The fourth type of salt is salt of weak acid versus weak base. In this, suppose I am taking that there is an ammonium acetate CH3COONH4 which is formed by the combination of weak acid acetic acid and weak base ammonium hydroxide, and other one is suppose I am taking this is ammonium carbonate. This ammonium carbonate is NH4 taken twice and then CO3, which is formed by the combination of ammonium hydroxide and carbonic acid H2CO3. And suppose if I will take another example, that is NH4CN, which is a combination of ammonium hydroxide and weak acid, that is HCN. These are the examples for the salt of a weak acid versus weak base, right? And how these salts pH can be calculated, we'll discuss here. And here I am taking the general form of a salt that can be formed by the combination of weak acid and weak base. And here I am taking that, consider a BA is a salt which is formed by the combination of weak acid and a weak base. So that I am taking this BA, if it is reacting with the water, then it forms where it is an HEA is a weak acid and BOH is which is a weak base, right? So weak acid is a HEA and a weak base is that is an BOH, right? So for this, if I will write it's a hydrolysis constant KH is equals to product of molar concentration of products, that is an HEA concentration into this is an BOH concentration divided by it is an BA concentration, salt concentration, that is an BA concentration. Let us take this is equation 1, and in this particular salt hydrolysis, weak acid and as well as a weak base is formed. Weak acid is a HEA and a weak base is a BOH. These both are the weak acids. Again they are further it can be dissociated and it forms ionic equilibrium. I am taking the dissociation of HEA weak acid. This HEA weak acid again it can be dissociated into the H++, it is an A minus, right? So for this, if I will write it's a dissociation constant Ka, and I can write this is the product of molar concentration of product H plus ion concentration, that is H plus ion concentration into it is an A minus ion concentration divided by it is an HEA concentration. Let us take this is equation 2, and even weak base also will undergo the dissociation and it forms ionic equilibrium. That weak base I am taking as a here BOH. Here BOH will be dissociated into the B plus plus and OH minus, right? So for this I will write it's a dissociation constant of weak base Kb, that is in B plus ion concentration into it is in OH minus ion concentration divided by it is in BOH concentration, right? So let us take this is equation 3, right? As all we know that there is a pure water is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. This pure water will be again it can be dissociated into there it is a H plus plus there is an OH minus. From this I can write its ionic product of water Kw is equals to it is a product of H plus ion concentration into this is an OH minus ion concentration, right? So equation 1, 2, 3, these equation 1, 2, 3 you can multiply. I am writing here multiply the equation 1, 2, 3 multiply equation 1, 2 and then 3. This equation 1, 2, 3 you can multiply, and when we are multiplying this equation 1, 2, 3, here HA concentration will get cancelled here, and BOH concentration will get cancelled, and even this particular BA will be dissociated into the B plus and A minus. So this B plus ion concentration, here B plus ion concentration, A minus ion concentration and A minus ion concentration will get cancelled, and finally we'll get that when we are multiplying this KH into, this is in KA into, where it is in KB, and finally we'll get that only a H plus ion concentration into, this is in here it is a OH minus ion concentration. When we are multiplying this 1, 2, 3 equations are KH into KA into KB, these common terms will get cancelled. We'll get that only H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration. So that is nothing but ionic product of water. So KH into, this is Ka into, this is Kb is equals to, so we'll get this is in Kw, and this is a simple equation, and from this I can write here it's a KH is equals to, where it is a Kw divided by, where it is a Ka into, this is an Kb. Okay, so this is also another formula to find out it's a hydrolysis constant, KH is equals to Kw by Ka into Kb. I am taking that general form of a salt, that is in a Ba. This Ba will be undergoing that there is a dissociation B plus and A minus, and B plus ion is which is coming from the weak base, and A minus ion concentration is coming from the, particularly there is a weak acid, so that both cationic hydrolysis and anionic hydrolysis will be takes place, right? Salt of weak acid and the weak base, both cation is there as well as the anion is there. Why? Because I am taking that it is a weak acid and a weak base. It will undergo both cationic hydrolysis as well as the anionic hydrolysis, right? So based on that rate of cationic hydrolysis and rate of anionic hydrolysis, and we can classify the solutions mainly 3 types here. One is I can take that rate of cationic hydrolysis is equals to the rate of anionic hydrolysis. So then the solution is which is a neutral solution, and its a pH is always equals to the, that is equals to 7, right? So if the rate of cationic hydrolysis equals to rate of anionic hydrolysis, then the solution is called as it's a neutral solution, and its a pH is equals to 7. This is a one possibility, and other one is even this rate of cationic hydrolysis is dominating than the rate of anionic hydrolysis. So then the solution is which is acidic in nature. If the rate of cationic hydrolysis is more than the rate of anionic hydrolysis, then the solution is acidic, and its a pH value is less than 7, right? Whereas third type is this is the rate of cationic hydrolysis is less than the rate of anionic hydrolysis, then the solution is which is basic in nature, and its a pH value is always greater than the 7, right? So here 3 possibilities are there based on the rate of cationic hydrolysis and rate of anionic hydrolysis. The salt of weak acid and salt weak base, here it will undergo the both cationic hydrolysis as well as the anionic hydrolysis, both simultaneously it can takes place here. So here B plus ion of particularly salt as well as the A minus ion of salt hydrolysis, and it forms, this is in here HA is weak acid, and so this is a BOH is a weak base. So this is a weak acid is forming, and here it is in a weak base also. HA is a weak acid and BOH is a weak base, right? So the initial concentration of this particular B plus is a C, A minus ion concentration also C, and this will be the 0, and this is also a 0. at equilibrium, whenever it is attaining the equilibrium, and its hydrolysis is simply a concentration of HA is a CH, and this one is a CH, and you will get this is a C into 1 minus H, and this one also C into 1 minus H you will get, right? At equilibrium, concentration of B plus and concentration of A minus, concentration of HA and the concentration of BOH, right? According to the law of mass action, you can write down the it's a hydrolysis constant for the above equilibrium reaction. I can write this is in the concentration of HA into it is the concentration of BOH. Okay, so this is a concentration of B plus ion into, and this is the concentration of A minus. You can substitute this concentration of HA, BOH and B plus and A minus ion concentration in the above expression. This is a CH into CH divided by, here it is a C into 1 minus H, here it is a C into 1 minus H again. Okay, so 1 C and a C will get cancelled here. Simply I can write this is a H square divided by, here it is a 1 minus H whole square, that is equals to simply H is equals to H square by 1 minus H square is left, right? So if suppose I am taking this one in the square, taking this side means it will become as a simply A, and H divided by this is a 1 minus H is equals to, so this is the square root of KH. Okay, if so reverse this one expression, we will get this is a 1 minus H divided by H is equals to, this is a 1 by square root of KH. So left side you are reversing means automatically right side also it will get reversed, and 1 minus H divided by H equals to 1 by square root H. You can divide individually, this is in a 1 by H minus 1 is equals to 1 by square root, this is in a KH. Minus 1 you can take that side. So 1 by H is equals to, so here it is in a 1 plus 1 by square root, this is in a KH. Okay, so if I will write further extension this one, and here 1 by H is equals to, and you will get to take the LCM here, so I will get that 1 plus this is in a square root of KH divided by, here it is a square root of KH. Okay, so here simply H is equals to, I can write reverse this one again, and square root of KH divided by, this is the 1 plus square root of KH. So this is a formula to find out its degree of hydrolysis. H is equals to square root of KH divided by 1 plus square root of KH, right? So this is the formula, but this KH value is very small. Whenever the KH value is very small, if it is a very small, then you can neglect, so 1 minus 1 plus square root KH value will be, which is nearly equals to the 1, so that I can write here H is equals to simply a square root of KH is the formula to find out its degree of hydrolysis. H is equals to, so I can write this is the square root of KH value, substitute KH value, you got that is in a KW divided by, this is in a KA into, this is in a KB. So this also it will be there, you can use this also formula to find out the its degree of hydrolysis. To find out its pH of a salt of a weak acid and a weak base, definitely we need that H plus ion concentration should be required. So generally here to find out this H plus ion concentration from the dissociation of this weak acid only, we will write. So the dissociation constant of weak acid is a Ka is equals to, this is a H plus ion concentration into, here it is now A minus ion concentration divided by, here it is the concentration of HE, we will write down. Okay, so in this H plus ion concentration you can make the subject of the formula here. H plus ion concentration is equals to, that is in a Ka into concentration of here HE divided by, so I will get this is a concentration of A minus. You can substitute this HA concentration and A minus ion concentration also. Here HA concentration in this expression is a CH is given, A minus ion concentration is C into 1 minus H is given. If you will substitute this here at H plus ion concentration is equals to, so that is simply a Ka into, you will get this is a HA concentration is a CH divided by C into this is a 1 minus H, and CC will get cancelled here, and KH is a small is there, KH is a small or very small, so 1 minus H which is nearly equals to the 1, so the denominator 1 minus H you can neglect, simply I can write this is a H plus ion concentration is equals to simply Ka into this is an H. As all we know that H is nothing but square root of Kw by Ka into Kb. Okay, so I can write this is a Ka into this is a square root of Kw by, where it is an Ka into this is an Kb. When we are taking this Ka into the inside of the square root, so then you will get that particularly Ka square and here Ka1 will get cancelled, and finally we'll get that this is an H plus ion concentration is equals to, so I can write this is a square root of where it is a Kw into Ka divided by this is a Kb. So this is a H plus ion concentration. pH is equals to minus log of H plus ion concentration. Here H plus ion concentration, you have that formula square root of Kw by Ka into Kb. So that means minus of this is a log. So I can write this is a Kw into this is a Ka divided by, here it is a Kb into whole power 1 by 2. Kw into Ka by, here it is in a Kb. This square root of whatever the 1 by 2 it will be there, that will come front. Here it is in pH is equals to, I will write this is simply a 1 by 2 of and I can write this is a minus log of Kw, and again minus log of this is a Ka, minus log of K. M by N means log M by M, M by N, log M minus N. So this is a minus of minus log this is a Kb, right? So this is a formula to find out it's a pH. Minus log of K, this simply I can write here pH is equals to here 1 by 2, and this is a pKw, and this is a pKa minus this is an pKb. This is the formula to find out its pH of the salt of weak acid versus weak base, right? At 25 degrees centigrade, as all we know that at 25 degrees centigrade, so there is an pKw is equals to, that is an 14 it will be there. At 25 degrees centigrade pKw is a 14. 14 by 2 means you will get 7 here, and a final expression I can write here it's a pH is equals to, this is a 7 plus 1 by 2 of, here it is a pKa minus this is a pKb is a general formula to find out its a pH of the salt of weak acid versus it's a weak base.